This is the Onekey Classic 1S and I just received it in the mail, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and also sort of like a review. And make sure that you stick to them because you can actually get one of these for free. But let's skip the talking and let's just jump straight into the unboxing. So I got this very nice bag with the order as well, and here it is, the Onekey Classic 1S. So it comes in this very nice like plastic shield that you get with like any iPhone. So it's, yeah, I don't know why I'm explaining so much about the plastic. Let's just remove it and see what's inside. So this could be sort of like a way of you knowing if the package has been tampered with or not, because if you see that the plastic seal is broken, then maybe someone could have touched it before it reached your hands. Satisfying moment. So there it is. So then there's also these two like tabs right here, which also ensures that no one has tampered with the package before you received it. So let's slide these suckers away. There it is, nice. So then we get this paper, so classic Onekey with reflective back for some reason. I really don't know why. So now I've opened the package up, and as you can see right away, there's a big green paper. And let's see what's inside, sorry. Start your Web3 journey. This is the QR code to download the app. I've already downloaded the app through the App Store, but if you want to be ensured that you're getting the official Onekey app, you could scan this QR code and you will be getting the official Onekey app. And then we also get some other papers like getting started and two nice stickers. That's nice to have, I guess. So that's it. But here we have the thing which is of course most important of all, the wallet itself. And here is actually another seal. So you can see mine is not broken. And I believe that this is probably because with sometimes customs can pull away those tabs that I showed on the back of the case, and then once they've opened up and see that it's a hardware wallet and not anything illegal, they don't have to tear away this part, so that way you can see that the hardware wallet itself has not been tampered with. So here it is. Let's do like that. So it's really not that big, and that's kind of also what I like with this wallet, because it's basically the size of any regular credit card, just a little bit thicker. However, inside of here there is a EAL6 Plus chip, which ensures that the chip has a very high security standard. I believe that the predecessor to this Classic actually did not have a EAL6 Plus certified chip, but in this Classic 1S version they actually decided to add a EAL6 Plus chip, so that's a huge security improvement from the last version. But let's skip the talking, let's set it up, let's hit a power button right over here and see what it does. Okay, so the Onekey logo shows up. Okay, so we have English and then some different like Japanese or Chinese languages to choose from, but I'm going to stick with English because that's what I understand. And next, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Onekey Classic. Okay, and I'm going to choose create a new wallet because I'm not created a wallet. This is a totally new hardware wallet, but if you would have a wallet already, you could import your seed phrases. Now I'm going to set up the seed phrase and write down those words, and here you can choose between 12, 18 and 24 words, and of course the more words that you decide to go with, like the more secure it is, but 12 words is good enough I would say, so I'm just going to go with 12 words for the sake of simplicity. So here inside of this green box you actually get 3 sets of these like papers, and these words that you get right here on the screen right now, don't show them to anyone and don't keep them anywhere where someone else knows their location, because with these words you can access your crypto. I'm going to go grab a pen so I can write down the words, and I'll come back to you guys once I've written the words down. So now when you've written down your 12, 18 or 24 words, it asks you to check the words once again so you've written down the correct words, just to ensure that if you were to lose this wallet, you would still be able to access your cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to check mine, and you should probably check yours as well. Yep, so mine are correct. So I'll tuck it inside of this green box as well. So if you come to rob my house and find my cryptocurrencies, look for a green box and you'll find my seed phrases. And next up, it will ask you to check your word number 1, just to ensure that you've written down the correct seed phrases once again. Awesome! Your backup is complete. Nice. Let's go. And now you need to set a 4-digit code, and then you just need to write in the same code that you chose before. So make sure that you remember the code that you actually put in. Now, finally, the pin is set, so I can move on. Now, wallet is ready. Download the Onekey app and have fun. I will have so much fun with this one. Yeah, let's go. So I have my very old iPhone 6 here because I'm actually recording with my own phone from this view right here. But let's open up the app. Let's move on here as well and connect hardware wallet, a big button right there, and connect device and allow Bluetooth. There, it pops up right away. And now I'll just get a code here on the wallet, which I'm writing into my phone. Now it's connecting, and while it's connecting I might as well show you what else you receive in the package. So you also get this like braided USB Type-C cable to charge the Onekey hardware wallet with when it runs out of battery. And you can actually see a little battery icon up here which indicates how much battery it has left. But let's press let's go, and now we're all in the wallet. Actually, it's all set up. So now when I want to receive a token, I just press receive, and now I'll have to confirm that the address is exactly the same here on the device as it shows here on the app. I usually just check the 2 first letters or numbers and the 2 last letters and numbers to see that it's the same address. And here I can confirm that it's the same address. Confirm, and here it is, my Bitcoin address for the Onekey 1S. Now that is your setup tutorial on how to set up the Onekey Classic 1S. I know maybe it wasn't the most professional tutorial ever because this was actually the first time I ever handled a Onekey Classic 1S, but it is actually a really great hardware wallet, and it's not really that expensive as well. It's only like $99 for this one, and it has really great security, a nice app with a nice interface where you can store your NFTs, your crypto, and you can easily access other Web3 applications. And what I like most with Onekey is that all of this hardware code inside of here and the code for the app is open source, which means that anyone with the knowledge can go into the code and read it through to make sure that there's no backdoors enabling Onekey to access your cryptocurrencies without your consent. And that is of course very good. And the Onekey wallet is also audited by Slowmist to have no backdoors. Another thing that is actually really interesting with Onekey is that actually Coinbase has invested in them. And I mean, Coinbase is a really big reputable exchange within the crypto world. So that should be indicating that the Onekey wallet is a good wallet. Now, I said that in the beginning, you could actually get one of these for free, which is correct. If you order one of these using the code Tashi and like this video and leave a comment down below saying that you ordered the wallet and that you maybe liked the video or disliked the video, totally up to you. In 2 weeks from now, I'll choose one winner to get one of these sent for free that you could give away to perhaps a family member like your mom or dad or sister or brother or another friend that is also into crypto. So basically you could get one of these for free. Just order one of these using the link down below. You also save 5% on your purchase using the code Tashi. You also get the opportunity to get a free Onekey Classic 1S. I'm also going to be uploading a more like thorough review on the Onekey Classic 1S, talking more about the specific features like the security features and really everything surrounding the wallet. So make sure to stick around for that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Use the code Tashi to save 5% on your purchase when checking out. Goodbye.